We're gonna go face to face right over there.
All right, serious. Okay, here we go.
200 against 200. Who's filming?
I've got it.
Because this will be on the internet.
Oh, there's the ambulance.
And
right there.
judges.
Oh yeah, judges. So when people don't go down all the way, you all say something.
Like
You saw that video.
Well, we know about you and going down, so it's all
No,
right.
you saw the video too.
With the stank?
How many?
Yeah,
Until he
stank.
can't do anymore, and I'll
All
do
right,
one more.
okay. Got it. All right, get down. I'm going to count to 3. 3.
There's not a lot of light, but that's
Here
okay.
we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
2,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7,
8. You're gonna go down all the way?
9,
Worry about
10,
11,
12, 13, 14,
15. He's one behind.
No, he's not.
He is 16,
You're one behind.
No, I'm not.
17,
18, 19,
20, 21.
No, I'm counting
22.
him. Too.
Whoa,
23.
whoa,
No,
24,
he's 5.
25,
You're counting
26,
him. I'm counting
27,
him.
28,
He's fucking
29.
5 ahead of you.
30. You got a lot of catching up to do.
You count him, Mike. I count him.
All right.
What the fuck?
He's 5 ahead of
31,
you.
32.
He's not 5
33.
ahead of me.
I'm like 10 ahead of you. 34. You're so
29,
far behind me. You're not even going down anymore.
30, 30.
36.
Come on, Gavin.
7.
38.
Fuck.
Come on,
He's
man.
so
He's
far ahead of
he's
you.
5 ahead of you.
When
like
16
10 ahead of you.
people are counting,
No, I was counting him,
Pay me, bitch.
and you were behind.
he was like 5 ahead of you.
No, yeah, because you're 5 ahead. You're 5 behind
Oh.
him. All right, all right.